In this video lecture, we are going to talk about the use of the gerund. First, discuss what is a gerund. A gerund is a form of verb that ends in ing and is used as a noun in a sentence. For instance, play is changed into playing. So playing, if we used playing as a noun, it is known as gerund. Read is changed into reading. Take an example in a sentence, I like playing cricket. Here, like is the main verb and playing act as a gerund in a sentence. She is fond of swimming. So, where we use gerund in a sentence, the first is as a subject of a verb. We can use gerund as a subject. For instance, smoking is dangerous for your health. Smoking is a gerund. We use smoking as a subject of the verb is. Hunting deer is illegal in my country. Here the same hunting used as a subject in a sentence. Baking is my favorite hobby. Running keeps my body fit. In both the example, baking and running are the subject of the verb and act as a gerund in a sentence. Next usage is object of a transitive verb. For instance, the boys like playing cricket. Here, like is the main verb and playing is the object of the transitive verb. So it is a gerund in a sentence. Same example, he likes reading novels. Your reading is the object of the transitive verb and it is a gerund. I love riding bike. Another example is children enjoy drawing. So in all these examples, playing, reading, writing and drawing are gerund. Next use is the complement of a verb. For instance, the aim is learning good English. Here, the learning is the complement of the verb is, so it acts as a gerund. Another example is the most vital thing is learning. My work is writing and analyzing the report. Saying is believing. So in all these examples, learning, writing, analyzing, believing are the complement of a verb. Next, a usage of gerund as an object of a preposition. For example, she was punished for telling a lie. For is the preposition and telling is the object of a preposition for. We stayed at home instead of going out. Here going is the object of a preposition of. I am fond of watching cricket. Again, the watching is the object of a preposition of. I look forward to meeting you. Here meeting is the object of preposition to. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.